Hey, it's JT at Rubber City Motoring. Just wanted to show what this thing looked like. I had the PML Deep Transmission Pan installed here on the Trailblazer SS. I got the cast finish. It roughly runs about 195, holds an extra quart and a half. It's real thick as far as like the construction. The flange is like, a quarter-inch to a half-inch thick. Comes with bolts. You just need to supply a gasket and a bigger filter. But pretty solid unit. I've put it on now. This will be the third time I've installed their products on a Trailblazer SS, and also I have their diff cover on my Impala, so it's pretty good stuff. So check them out. PML, I believe if you search for Your Covers, PML Your Covers, that'd be the best way to find them. But let me show you what this thing looks like underneath here. So it's not very exciting, but at the same time, it is if you have one installed and you get that fresh fluid in there. You can now drain it. I do it maybe every year and a half, just sort of drain out what's in there, then refill it, sort of like a you're not doing a full flush, but new fluid's always good in there. So with that drain plug, and there's a spot on there you can drill and tap for a temperature probe in there if you run that to your interior for a gauge or something like that. So check it out. It's pretty good stuff. They do offer it in black as well, and I've been more than happy with all of them. So definitely say cheap insurance for an expensive transmission. And it looks good too if you care about that sort of thing under your car. So alright, thanks for watching. More to come on the Trailblazer here, and more to come on the channel. So subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that little bell so you get alerted with new vids. And we'll see you next time. RubberCityMotoring.com. See ya.